Hello guys. So today we are going to create we are going to go through the step-by-step process of how to create a a party flyer for an event. Yeah, live in Epoma, all of that. So let's just get straight into it. A lot of people have asked for the tutorial of this, so I just want to do that. So yeah, this is the worksheet now. So of course we come here, we double tap the rectangle, and then we have our border already. So yeah, of course we go for my favorite color is black. Just follow me step by step. There are times I will not be saying anything, but just look at what I do. Yeah, I'll try to upload it in the best quality so that we can see whatever I'm doing. Yeah, so right click here, set outline color to remove the outline. I don't want any outline. So what do we do first? So let me go and look for let me go and look for his logo. Let me look for his logo first of all. Okay, so yeah, this is his logo. So he said that he wanted it to look traditional and all of that. So what I did was try to make everything in a box from. So I'll just show you how I did it. So for this rave culture, you can see if I cut the background, it's going to be one kind. So I just wanted to give it a block shadow, and for that I have to trim some of the edges. So what I go to the pen tool, then I start to trace. Most people did not know how I did trace all those things, but it's just the pen tool I used. You come here to reduce the outline width so that you'll be able to see, so that you won't trace outside the line. Do you understand? So I just trace it. I think I will speed this up in the post so that you will get what I'm trying to say. Yeah, so we've gotten this one now, we've traced it now. This is the outline. So what we do is power clip this one inside, and here we've gotten it like this. So we'll just leave this one here for now first. Yeah, we'll come back to it. So yeah, what next is the live. Yeah, so we want to write the details now of what we want. So live in Epoma, right? Beautiful freak board. Yeah, that's the name of. So yeah, of course, centralize it. Control K. What I did was I broke it. I just press Control K to break it apart. Yeah, so Control K will like separate it into different texts. You can use it however you want. You get. So this in is in another text. Just want to use live. Yeah. So this is how we did it, and then come here, change the color. If you notice by now, if you really notice, you see that I don't really know how to give good. I don't know how to really teach people, but I'm just gonna try to do it. So just follow me. So I use the eyedropper tool here to select the color that I want from the logo, because you want everything to have the same vibe. So the brightest color on the logo is this, so I selected this and then changed it. Yes, can even make it a bit brighter. Make it a bit brighter. Yeah, I'm trying to look for the color, the exact color that we use. I think I had to find that color, or was it this? Yeah. Okay, we can work with this for now. So this is a brighter one. You can see it pops in the black more. So yeah, so that effect that we created is after we brought this together. Remember, the in is going to be that in, we'll find somewhere to put it around here. So from here now, how I did it, it looks kind of thin to me, so I still expanded it a bit. It's not advisable to expand your fonts, but if you are doing, like, if you want to customize your fonts, yeah, you can just expand it to your own taste. So I felt it was too slim, so just expand it like this. Then I go for what they call the roughen tool. Yeah, when you check the roughen tool, you can click it and then now edit your font in any way. So I still want it to have a bit of, I feel like this font is too, like, it's cool, but I still want it to have a bit of a fizzy. So I just come to the edge, click it, and then it roughens some parts of it. It gets not every part, just some parts rough. Now we've gotten what we wanted now. So then some effects, some other small effects that I can add on it is just like go give it an outline now. Right click, set outline color. This one, so give it an outline. Okay, this one we don't really need to give it an outline. So yeah, from here we can now reduce the outline size. It's too much. Yes. Then to remove the outline from this, I'll write it in post. To remove the outline from this is Control Shift Q. Once you do that, you've broken the outline from the text itself. So you can now remove the outline and the text differently. On Mac is Control Shift Q. On Windows is the same thing too, Control Shift Q. I did it in my other tutorials. If you check it, you will see it there too. So just do that, and I shifted the outline to just give it a bit of distortion. Do you understand? Yeah, to just make it feel lively, like make it feel like, yes, live. Yeah, and all of that. So okay, before that, there was a little bend that I did. So I'm just gonna do that too. So here the envelope. So when we come to envelope here, you see it has given you this node. So what I do, you can move here however you want, but it will not be straight like that. So what I do, I delete these middle ones. Once I delete these middle ones, I can now, so it will not be, if I move it curve, everywhere will move at once. It will be aligned, you get. So that's why I did delete here. Then I now move it up a bit. Yeah, you can also drag this one down just a tiny bit. Move this one down to just a oh, this one is okay. You can drag this one to a little bit more. Yeah, you feel me? You can also drag here too, but nah, I don't really want that. This one is okay for me. So yeah, we've done that now. And then this echo mat, so you come here, click it, you can drag it up to, okay, remember we are supposed to see it's not straight, so we delete these middle nodes. Then drag it up all together, so it will just fit exactly my point. Drag this one down too, so that it will align. Yeah, I hope you understand. I hope you all understand what I'm doing here. Yeah, I hope I'm even explaining it well enough for you people to understand. So live in Epoma, yeah. So we're here. Then we now go back to the outline. Remember, right click here, reduce the something, the outline, then Control Shift Q. Remember, we've broken it now, so select only the outline and bam. Yeah, sorry, my system the get still this Coreldraw is too heavy. So yeah, do it like this, so you can see that distortion is already there live in Epoma. So this Epoma, let's change it to white. And then I did something here. I did a block shadow, so it's still under the same place where I took envelope from. This block shadow, did it here. I'm still going to do it for this thing, but we'll come back to it. So when we drag it like this, it's just going to create like a 3D, somewhat 3D effect. Change the color because it's black. Come here, change the color to red. Okay, red is too much, so Let's change to something. Let's see if it will work with this color. Does it kind of yeah. Okay, I'll make it a bit darker. Yeah. So this is what we have. So we've done the header now. You can still drag it a bit. So no fear, no worry. Now your design, if the thing spoil, you press Ctrl Z. We'll go back to square root to number 1. So then drag this one a bit on top to just give it that feeling. Yeah, you get. So like in Ekpoma now, we still go for type again. I think this is the text that they give me. Hashtag Ekpoma vibe versus Auchi vibe. Okay, same font. Remember, consistency in fonts works. It really works. So we should all learn that. Bring it here, increase the me fat small, reduce and bring down to the middle. You can, to bring something to the middle and you're not really sure, you can select what you want to bring to the middle, then hold shift down, select the background, that's in this black workspace, then press shift C. Yes, shift C will bring it to the middle. You get. And then to also be nice, if we can bend it to just fit this Ekpoma stuff too. So we come here again, envelope. Remember, delete this 2 in front. Then come here, pow. Come here again, pow. Nothing too much, just a little. Yeah. So yeah, we do like this, and then you can see increase them small. You just do. Feel me? Already there. See, we are getting there. You can see that I've not touched the background yet. The background is always the last thing that I like to do, because that's what will set the whole. After we've set the whole copy and everything, the background will just lay it for us. Just be defined. That's how I design sharp. Some people can design in a different way. You feel me? You get, but that's just how I like to design. So this riv now, let's come back to this riv. I think here the space here was too much, so double click and drag these things out. So just give it a balance here, and then do the same thing that we did for this this place. So get an outline. This one we can even increase the outline now. Let's increase it here like 10. Position should be outside the, yes, not in the middle. This is in the middle, this is behind, this is inside, this is in the middle, this is outside the line here. So let's bring it outside the line. What's happening here? Something happening here. I think it's, yeah, okay, yeah, fixed it. So then we give it the same color with this one, right? So see the outline color here. Carry your eyedropper to light orange, blam. That's it. Then we can now bring it here. Bring it on top. You don't know how to bring something on top of it. I don't know what to tell you. I believe the people I'm doing tutorial for are mid-level designers that know basic design tools. So we can see the outline is too much here. Reduce it a bit. Yeah, 5 is cool. 8 is cool too. But let's just make it 5. 5 is too much. 8 is too much. So now we have that. Now we can bring in the block shadow. Can we do that, or do we have to block shadow it first? Yes, we can bring in the block shadow now. Bring in the block shadow, and yeah, then come here to change the color. Eyedropper to this color that we use. Remember, it's consistency. Okay, did not work. Bring it here again. Change it. Change it. See it, or just trace it here. Make it a bit darker here. See, consistency. It works. So see, now we've gotten what we want for the title. Let's Yeah, okay. I think it's okay like this. So yeah, we've figured out how we got these parts. Now still reduce them small, carry them up small. I just like the overlapping effects. It just gives it a feeling that like you get. You get some people might some you as a designer you might not like it, you might want to do it in another way. That's however you want to do it is fine. You get as far as you get the vibe. So now we go straight to the tickets. So now the tickets, I want it to look like the way the conventional way we design tickets. So go to your rectangular to draw a rectangle, color it. Is the color it? Okay, not orange. Sorry, this orange. This is the orange we are looking for. Light orange, blah. Always have your eyedropper to use it to pick different colors that you need. So remove the outline. And then what we want to do now is create like a circle, a small circle. Just can make it in the middle, whether you want to make it in the middle, but I think because we'll be writing something mostly here, so we should make this place smaller. We should make the circle like in front. Do you understand what I'm trying to say? Yeah. So make it small, just a small circle that we need. Yeah, bring it here to make sure it's the middle that is there. Yeah. Color the circles. Always remember to remove your outline so it will not spoil your design for you. So color the circles like this. Yeah, and then what we will do here now is we are going to cut this part that is entering the rectangle. We are going to cut it out. Use the circle to cut it out. We're just using a circle as a mask to cut it out. So hold this, click on this circle, hold shift, click on the rectangle, and then you come here, cut out a portion of an object by using the shape of another object. Exactly, that's exactly what we want to do. So we click it, and then carry your circle, come out. You can see we've cut it out already. See, easy stuff. Come here, do the same thing. Click on it, hold shift, click the rectangle, then come here, cut out the portion, blah blah blah, remove. We're done. You can see. So now we can delete the circle. We don't need it again. See, easy peasy. If you want to move the circle, maybe you feel like this cutout is too far in front, you want to bring it to like the middle or something, just double click on it. Then these nodes, highlight all these nodes and drag. No, sorry. Highlight it and drag. Okay. Highlight it, then use your arrow tools to drag it however you want. You get, but we want it somewhere here. Somewhere here is fine. You feel me? So yeah, then the ticket, of course, we now go to your pen tool. I was not a fan of pen tool before, but ever since I learned how to use it more, it has made life very easy for me. Draw a line across. Yeah. Then can reduce it to 2. Come here to change it to, yeah. So you get the idea of what I'm trying to do, right? Yeah. There is that. Are there any other ones? You can make this anyone that is deemed fit for you. I prefer this one, sure. So yeah, we've done that now. Create ticket now. So we want to write the ticket prices. I think he said the first one, that's the regular one, will be 3K. So come here, 3K. Change the fonts. We don't need to. We can use another font for this now. We can use SFUI. UI display. Use the heavy width fonts. Bring it. Oh, sorry. What I did here was I came here to shape 2. So shape 2 allow you increase the space between the lettering or reduce it. So I just reduced it. Yeah, and I brought it here. Okay, I'm going to write something on top. So I just want to copy the text and put oh my god, okay. Early bird. If you feel the space between the lettering is too small, you can come to the shape tool again and increase it a bit. can even play with the weight SFUI. So I use the light version now instead of the heavy one I used before. Light version. Reduce it. You get, and we've gotten our first ticket now. So this is the basis for all the other tickets that we'll be creating. Do you understand? So we come here, put it here. Put it here like this. Put it here like this. I still think there's too much space. Yeah. Or it's just land. You get early bird 3k. Okay. So we can see, like I said, now is the basis for the other ones. So all we need to do is just copy and paste. The next one is 6k. And what is the something? It said that one, the name, it said that one, it said our name is released for some reason, and of course it can't be the same color of the ticket, so we change the color. I gave it green. Yeah, I think this green is too harsh. Yeah, I think this green is perfect for it, because I can change it to white or black or whatever, but I think white will look much more better on this. Also change this font. Remember, it's not so you don't left click, you right click, because it's an outline. Right click here, or I think black is better, honestly. Yeah. So yeah, the same thing too. Same thing. I think I'll just speed through this part because we all understand what this is all about already. Change the color. It's key. Syntax this one. So it's supposed to be at the gates. Yeah, so you can see how I'm playing with the fonts. I don't really have one thing that's like different. I'm not really using different fonts, because it will not land well if you are not consistent with your fonts. So I'm coming here, copy and paste the 3 into 1. So I think today this, because it's going to be longer, come here and put 100k. Yeah. So now about this thing now, if we just come here and drag it like this, it will distort the circle here on top. So what do? We double click so that the nodes will show, and we increase it with the nodes, not generally. Don't increase everything, just increase only the nodes of this. Yeah. You can get it by coming to shape 2 too. If you come to shape 2, it will change to this. You get. So that's how if you just increase it normally, the circle will reduce and to be one kind. So we just want to make it consistent. So we come here, 100k is supposed to be the silver table for 4, right? But it's silver now. Silver cannot be yellow now. Let's make it silver. How do we do that? Go to interactive field 2. The interactive field 2, which is this. The shortcut is G. I just press G and G will just give me what I want. So this silver. So we're going to change 2 colors, but it's going to be 3 colors. So we come here in the middle of the line, just double click it, another node will come out. So here now we can now start to change the colors. Come here and then change it to this. Okay, same thing. Come here, change it to this. RGB, change it to this, and then come here will now be a bit. Remember to always change to RGB. Then RGB, please give me. Okay, and then so you can now make this a bit darker. Yeah, so just give that silver effect. You get. If you have better ways of creating silver gradients, you can also use it. This is just to teach. You get. If I'm really designing it, I know I'll make it much more better. Like this one can be a bit more lighter now. You understand? Just for type shit. So I think black works on it better. Yeah. Silver table for 4. So the same thing too, since we're going to be now using the same 300k, 300k, same thing. So just copy and paste. 300k. This is supposed to be gold table for 6. Yes, gold table for gold table for 6. Yeah, so we go back to the gradient again, G. Then we now change the colors to a golden gradient. How do we do that? So just use your imagination. What should be here? Yellow. I think a darker form of yellow, almost brownish, can now be somewhere here, you get, and then you end it with another a light shade of type shade. You feel me? Just you walk around it, find your way. So here you find just look for a color that will work well with it. No, you just how do we do this now? Okay, look for a color that will work on it. Maybe this. Yeah, it's not really clear, but you get the message. You understand what I'm trying to say? I'm not trying to go deep into this design, but I just hope you understand what I'm trying to say. So 300k, same thing too. This one is sponsorship tickets. So I think we can just make this one like dark silver shade, like black diamond type of thing. So the gradient that we did for here, we just make it darker, like instead of the light shade to now be, dark shade will now be at the edges. Dark shade will be at the edges, and then the middle will now be lighter. Yeah, you feel me? And then white can work on it. Can also give you the same gradient. Let's see how it will look. Okay, this one can now make this one darker. Let's see how it will work. Okay, let's give this one black. Okay, as it blended a bit. So this is me trying not to like really enter the design, just the face value. Sponsorship. Yeah, so we've gotten the tickets now. We've gotten our tickets parts. So what next now with the illustrations? He asked for African dancing illustrations. So I went online and then I saw this particular picture. I saw it, I was like, okay, this is nice. I can just cut the pictures from here. So yeah, I used the pen to cut it out. After I cut it out, you power clip it inside again. Should I? I'll just do one. Since I've done it before, I'll just do one and show you how I did it. So yeah. So after I traced it like this now, power clip inside, and we've gotten the illustration. So to bring it back now, we can now come back and bring the picture again. You get, and now trace the other ones just like so. This is the tracing I did. After tracing, I just arranged all of them to look like as if they are all together. You get, brought it here. And then we went for the dates, right? So the dates are still going to take the ticket form. Now this is where I said there's something I said in the beginning of the video that it will still come back here. So remember when I said that if you want to increase or reduce without distorting the circle, you increase from the nodes. So remember, double click or you go to shape here, increase it, come here to increase it. So you can see the circle is not distorting. It's still there. This one safe. This one safe. You carry and come here. And now finally it's working. Carry and come the middle. Now the middle won't make day. Exactly. So now let's overlap a bit. So now we can now write the dates. Where did I find all those something. Anyway, this is the whole copy. Let me go back to design. This is bring the whole copy first. Jesus, where are my designs? Guys, all my designs have gone now. Guys, all my designs have gone. Thank God I did it before all these things left. So come here, copy and paste all the designs. Yeah. So this is it. This is all the details. Remember, shape. I want to increase it down a bit, so highlight it, bring it down a bit. Yeah. Bring it down here. So we can see, still reduce it a bit, bring it down, and then we also roughen the edges if you check it. Thing we did for the text. Set outline color, reduce it a bit. So let's go for 2, and then Control Shift Q. Yeah, what's happening here? Control Shift Q. Okay, can work with it like that still. I wrote out the outline, then distort it a bit. Bring it on. So line. Okay, yeah, good. So this distort it a bit. Carry and come outside. If you want carry and come outside, something in this form, you get. So now we are done with the inside. Now we want to go for the background. So the background has to be traditional too. So I looked for some things online. Let me just bring out what I saw online. So this what I used from what I saw online. So I saw a very nice, this one just gives camping vibe, but if you put it inside, it's nice. I like the way it looks. Power clip inside. Here you can see already. You can see when I say the background brings things together, so you can see how it's making sense now. We need it in lower part, so let's just frame it like this. Then there's another Ankara material here. So this one I really loved the way it looks. I'll still use it for other designs. So just bring it inside, power clip inside too. But this time now we are going to overlay it over the design. So when we reduce it, come to this transparency to this normal here, then we overlay it. Overlay it, and you can't see if it's too harsh like it is right now. Reduce it, transparency, reduce it, no fear. Now your design, no fear. Reduce where may just the pop out small. Yes, that's what we want. May just the pop out small, just small that we need it to pop out. And there's something else I did too. I use this. So how I did that was I cut it out using my pen tool. And bra. So cut it out. So we come here now. Remember to cut out some things. Highlight the 2 things, then come here, cut it out. Don't cut them out. Easy peasy. See, design is not hard. Come here, power clip it inside. This is the part where we want it to be. I just did it because I think it's going to be is to make it just clearer. So we come here, then what we overlaid can now bring the overlay on top. Bang, can you see? Can you see? Even this one safe. We can also bring it on top and overlay it too. Let's see how the overlay will look like. Overlaying background actually works. Can you see? So yeah, it's giving us what we were kind of looking for already. Okay, so this is where we now use the objects or the layers or whatever they call it, object or layer or whatever. I think it's here. See here. Yeah, where is it now? Where is it? Yeah, it's here. Okay. So you can now bring this one. Let's bring this one up. Bring this one up. Yeah. Okay. So what I want to do now is we also want to make it as what's this one now? This is the problem of overlaying. You know, go see it in the do. Okay, this one is behind, then this one should be on top, but not too much on top. So we bring it out like this too. Let's see how it's going to look like on the background. Okay, does not make any difference. So let's go back, meaning this one is not supposed to be an overlay. Maybe screen will help. Let's see what screen does to it. The screen work on it. I think it's black, so it's on. Okay, yeah. So we screened it, and you can see now the traditional effect is coming to play. And since we have found how to bring it, we can now bring this one on top. Let's see. This one on top. Let's see. Okay, we're almost there. Just keep watching. Yeah. Okay. It's on top actually. So yeah. This is it. So from this part now, from this part we can see this color, this yellow color here is looking to almost the same. So what I usually do to just bring a balance to it, draw a rectangle, color it works for most designs, like it will just balance everything out. Color is black, then go to your transparency tool and blend it. See, just blend it. You can see, just blend it. To give it just a tiny dark shade is what you need. Then bring this one on top. Bam, you can see, pop straight. Good job, pop straight up. That's what I'm talking about. See, and then you come here now. So what I did, I also added some conga drums to just give it a full traditional effect. Yeah, like that, just like that. Turn on like this, and then we gave it a bit of a blur. I'll give it a bit of a blur. So we came here, effect, blur, motion blur, increase it. See, so a bit of motion blur and a bit of transparency too. So just for you to blend, bang. Easy. And then you can now power clip inside. See, you don't finish your design already. Come here, turn it around, copy and paste. Bring it here too. Bang, finito. And we have our design. I think this one is too dark, so what do? If it's too dark, we just increase the yellow, right? Increase the yellow, or bring the yellow almost inside, so that we to still give that gold effect. And this one we just let's look for what to give it. Too yellowish. Okay, fits. Yeah, simple for it to just pop, so that people will know what they wrote there. And yeah, we have our design already. So this is basically what we we designed, and this is how to come up with design. Very easy. So if you want more tutorials like this, or you have further questions, just type in the comments what you want to learn, what exactly was not clear to you. You get. So you can see, come on my TikTok page. I post time lapse of designs on my TikTok page. So any design that you see on my TikTok page and you like, and you want me to do the breakdown, a longer version of it, just comment under the TikTok post. I want a tutorial for this, so that I won't just be wasted, because this thing takes a lot of time and a lot of editing. You get. So please, thank you. You can also come here, do your block shadow. Do your block shadow here. Guy, change the color. Change the color. Yeah. Simple, to just match the energy. Yeah. And yeah, we are good. This is the design. So yeah, thank you very much again, guys, for listening to me. Catch you guys on another tutorial. Bye.